Do you live here?
Yeah, I used to live here. I was actually born on this island. I lived here for 19 years of my life.
So you're half Filipino.
Yeah, I'm half Filipino, half Welsh.
Bye-bye.
I was born here. I left when I was 19, and right now I don't know how to speak the Tagalog or Bisaya. You know, I'm only English now. Nagtutulak ang atakti po rin sa apaw, nagtutulak. Ang muda may teg sa uti Filipino, Bisaya, Tagalog, wino naman. Why don't you just speak the native tongue? You know what I'm saying? Why do you need to pretend like, hey, I look good, I look tough, I speak English is the only thing. Ibabayin ko ti pulik nga may sa Pilipino, nagtutulak, di apaw. May, I don't wanna brag. I was 14 when I first left Philippines, man. You know what I'm saying? Right now, I'm still spitting the Ilocano, deep Ilocano language. Tagalog, yes, I don't care. I can spit that too. English, secondary. Nga madilip-lipatan no sinuak. Kastoy ti bagbaga manin apaw. Napang kayo labalasyo taaw, madiyo amon, malipatan yon. Mas kay yung pa nga isao dati sa bali nga pulay. You know? Tapos, Philippines, I go to the Philippines sa panagbakasyon, kastoy. Tapos, madi kayo magsasaoy ti lingwahe, ibabay niyo madure ang muyaw, kastoy ti bagbag. So, si kayaw nga apan ti balasyo taaw, madi nga liplipatan ninyo tinaggapuan yaw. Ilocano kayo, Tagalog kayo, Bisaya, Igorot, no naman, Itawis, Yugad. Ang muyaw data men, madi liplipatan, madi kayo nga agindidi, madi kayo nga ibabay no sinu kayo. Be proud, G. Be proud who you are. You know what I'm saying?